a portrait of a dancer. Photoshop acts like a choreographer mapping visual rhythm. Duplicate the layer and isolate the dancer with a soft mask. Create color streaks using a soft brush on overlay, moving them along the dancer's arms, legs, or flowing clothing to suggest dynamic energy. Apply motion blur selectively on these streaks. Introduce a gradient map with deep burgundy shadows and gilded highlights for theatrical atmosphere. Add a faint spotlight effect using a radial gradient. The image becomes a visual echo of movement, where the dancer appears to leave behind traces of choreography.